Hi, I'm Louise. Let me introduce you to the Neff N70 gas hob, where timeless design meets modern precision. With its sleek tempered glass finish, it looks as good as it cooks. Neff's Flame Select technology gives you 9 levels of flame control. From a gentle simmer to a powerful sear. Not only does this give you full control of your cooking, but you'll also get precise and reliable results too. The semi-continuous cast iron pan supports make it easy to move cookware around. They're not only strong and sturdy, but dishwasher suitable too. The dials are removable for quick and easy cleaning. Simply lift them off, wipe and go. If the flame ever goes out, the gas shuts off automatically, giving you peace of mind every time you cook. This hob gives you plenty of room and flexibility to experiment, so you can prepare multiple dishes at once, easily. The N70 is built to perform. It's sleek, sophisticated, easy to use and ready for any recipe.